What's up, everyone? Today, we're breaking down the best AR glasses from immersive experiences to stylish designs. There's something for everyone. Stick around to find out which pair will take your tech game to the next level. Don't forget to check the description for links to all these awesome glasses. Let's dive in. First up, we've got the X-Real 1 Pro AR Glasses M paired with the Beam Pro Wi-Fi bundle. If you're looking to elevate your spatial experience, this setup is a game changer. The X-Real 1 Pro supports all Google Play Store apps, meaning you can access pretty much everything you need directly through your glasses. Whether you're into gaming, work, or entertainment, the experience is super immersive. The glasses come with an adjustable IPD range of 57 to 66 millimeters, making them comfy for different face shapes. Plus, the Beam Pro Wi-Fi lets you stream apps and content seamlessly, making these glasses perfect for both productivity and fun. Want to experience the future of AR? Click the link in the description and grab your X-Real 1 Pro AR glasses now. Next up, we have the Viture Pro XR/AR glasses. These are a real standout in 2025. With a 135-inch 120Hz 1000 nits display, you'll be blown away by the sharpness and clarity. These glasses are built for an immersive XR experience, making them perfect for everything from gaming to virtual meetings. Harman Audio enhances your audio experience, and they even offer myopia adjustments for a more comfortable fit. Whether you're using iPhone 16/15, Android, Mac, PC, or Steam Deck, the Viture Pro works seamlessly across all platforms. Plus, it's the first ever immersive XR experience for Switch 2, so you're in for a treat if you're a gamer. Ready to take your AR experience to the next level? Check out the Viture Pro XR/AR glasses by clicking the link in the description. If you want the same killer specs as the previous model but with added features, the Viture Pro XR/AR glasses with 3DOF, adjustable electrochromic film, and multiple screens is your best bet. With a 135-inch screen size, 120Hz refresh rate, and 1000 nits brightness, you'll get to enjoy crystal clear visuals. The glasses also support spatial video, spatial photos, and even VR videos, perfect for those who want a truly immersive experience. Whether you're watching movies or working on your next big project, these glasses have everything you need. Plus, the adjustable electrochromic film ensures you can customize the tint based on your preference. Want all the immersive AR and VR features you can dream of? Check the link in the description and grab the Viture Pro XR glasses. When Ray-Ban and Meta team up, you know you're in for something special. The Ray-Ban Meta glasses, Wayfarer, offer a sleek, classic design with all the latest tech packed inside. These glasses not only look great, but also come with built-in speakers, a microphone, and the ability to connect to your phone via Bluetooth. Perfect for calls, listening to music, or even taking photos without reaching for your phone. If you want style combined with functionality, these are the AR glasses you need. Want a stylish way to experience AR? Get your hands on the Ray-Ban Meta glasses by clicking the link in the description. Last but certainly not least, we have the Oakley Meta HSTN AR glasses. Designed with athletes and outdoor enthusiasts in mind, these glasses combine Oakley's signature durability with Meta's cutting-edge AR technology. Whether you're biking, hiking, or skiing, the HSTN glasses will help you track your stats in real time while keeping you connected to your digital world. With a rugged design and impressive AR capabilities, they're perfect for anyone looking to push their limits while staying connected. Need AR glasses that are built to withstand the elements? Click the link in the description to grab the Oakley Meta HSTN now. And that wraps up our list of the best AR glasses of 2025. From gaming to fitness, we've got you covered with the latest tech. Want to grab any of these amazing glasses? Check out the links in the description for more details and where to buy them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you next time.